Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to talk about the discount that Tesla is pushing. Okay, so according to Electric, instead of getting the $3,750, now if you're picking up your Model 3 and Model Y all the way to the end of December, you're going to get $7,500 credit off the back. So it's going to lower your tax as well. So, I mean, like, I'm pretty sure right now Tesla, their stocks, they're not doing good, and they really want to push their year-end quarter sales. So, and with all those cancellations that they're having, they want to push it away. And I think, which is an excellent idea. You know what I mean? This is a great idea, and it's going to benefit not only Tesla, but also the consumer as well. So if you're already in the market for a Tesla, now you're getting $7,500 off the back. You don't have to worry about the tax incentive that you have to file for the 2024. Okay, you can get everything off the back right here, and you can enjoy the Tesla immediately, which is excellent. The only sad part is for those of the people that already picked up the day prior, you know what I mean, they don't get the discount. And now you get $7,500, and you also get the 10,000 miles of supercharging included free. So I'm not sure, it's maybe in a couple more days Tesla might throw in another enhanced autopilot. Who knows? Okay, depending on how much inventories they have and how much they want to push out. Okay, so they might go down that route or they might not, but this is just perfect for consumers. Okay, so if you guys in the market for Tesla, and you know what, this is just a perfect timing, and you're financially stable, you know what, pull the trigger. Or if you want to wait until 2023 and then get the $7,500 tax credit, you might or might not have. You know, I mean, who knows? There's a lot of things that are going on. I read an article where it says, the new regulation is not going to be effective until March something. So who knows what? But in this video, I'm just giving it to you guys right now. This is reported by Electric, but also I checked on the Tesla website, and it does reflect that as well. It used to say in the top right corner here, like $3,750. Now you can see $7,500 credit and the 10,000 miles free of supercharging. So, which is excellent. So throughout the year, Tesla might have already done like a couple increases, but here you get the $7,500 decrease. Reason is because of increase in demand, increase in price. Lower the demand, lower the price. Simple as that. And right now, you guys, perfect timing. If you guys have any questions regarding about this incentive, this credit, leave it in the comment below. Other than that, take care and enjoy the discount. And thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. And if you love the channel, please subscribe for more future videos. Thank you very much. Take care and have a good night.